Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful strawberry shortcake, Al's way. Alright, let's get started. Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. Let's start with any cake mix. You see, this is a cake package. Any brand that you would like. Okay, you can use any brand that you like. Just gonna shake this in our bowl, and we're gonna follow the package instructions, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay guys, what I do is I make space in my bowl right down to the center. Okay, this is where I'm gonna put my liquids. Okay, I first add my milk. Okay, now most packages would ask you to add water, but we are using milk. And then I add my butter, melted butter, and my 3 eggs, all in the middle. Now I mix all this up. Get all this going nicely. Mix it all up. Wonderful. Now as I'm stirring it, I'm going to incorporate the flour nicely, because the idea is to get it nice and smooth. That is the secret to a moist cake. Get all the lumps out at the same time, okay? I'm just incorporating it real good. All right. I'm going in circles and I'm gradually picking up from the sides. Gradually. Keeping my batter nice and smooth, knocking out all of the bumps. Well, look at that. We want it to be a smooth batter. So that's why I put all my liquids in the center and I'm pulling in the dry. Pulling it in, okay? Because I want to keep it smooth. This is what you want, guys. You want it to be, see the ripples in there? That's what you want. You want it to be a nice consistency and smooth, okay? No lumps, okay? Now we're going to pour it into our pans. Let's set up our pans. Put this aside. We're going to be using 2 layers, pans. Let's begin by spraying them nicely. I have some non-stick spray. You can use a non-stick spray that you like. Okay, you can use any oil that you'd like. You want to oil your pans evenly and slightly heavy, okay? All right. Now we're going to add our nice smooth batter. As best as I can, I'm gonna try to get it evenly in each pan, guys. We're making 2 layers. All right. Let's get this in there. Okay. So far, it's looking good. Let's see how that looks. All right. Get back over to the other pan. All right. That in there. Okay guys, you want to just even it out. You see how I have done it for you. I just press it down nicely. You just even it out, okay? And we're going to put this in our preheated oven that has been preheated for 350 degrees. We're going to let these sit in for 25 to 30 minutes or until fully cooked. And I'm going to show you how to check that out. All right guys, let's pop these in. Okay guys, I put a pan of water at the bottom, as you can see, to create that nice steam, which will allow the dry heat not to burn my cake too fast, but keep it nice and golden. So you can do the same thing. All right guys, as you can see, the knife is clean. And it also pulled from the edges as well. As you can see, it pulled from the edges. Another indication that it's fully cooked. We're going to let these cool, and then we're going to come back at these. Clean on both sides. It also pulled from the edges, as you can see. Okay, wonderful. We're going to let these cool off now. Okay everyone, let's start by pouring in 1 pint of heavy cream. We're going to get all that in there nicely. All right. We are preparing our whipped cream, and I'm going to add to our heavy cream 2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract. Not imitation, guys. Pure vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons. Perfect. All right, and we're going to use 3 tablespoons of granulated white sugar. Put 2, and I'm going to start mixing it up. Get some air in there. And then we're going to put our 3rd tablespoon. So I'll get back to you. Let me mix this in. I got to incorporate air. So you got to keep whipping this to the air. I'm going to show you how thick it's going to get. All right? I'll be right back with you. Stay with me. Okay, guys. Look at that. Here's your whipped cream. Let's sprinkle it with a little more sugar. This is another tablespoon, making it 3 tablespoons. Let's just sprinkle it in. All right, and let's just mix it up nicely. We want to get that air in there, okay? All right, let's give it a taste and see if it's where we want it. Wow, that's delicious. I'm going to hit it with 1 more tablespoon of granulated white sugar. Just sprinkle it nicely. I taste the vanilla. This should bring it right where I want it. Mix this in nicely. All right, guys, as you can see, let's give it a last taste. Perfect. This is nice and light, delicious. All right, here you have it, our homemade whipped cream. We're going to keep this cold and put it aside. All right. All right, guys, as you can see, this is the cake that came out the oven nice and baked. Look how golden that is. Like I told you, you want to make sure you put that steam water in there, that pan with water, creating that steam, okay? Now what we're going to do, this is going to be our first layer, okay? We're going to just even it out, okay? I take my serrated knife and I'm going to just even it out. We're going to prepare to put our filling, okay? Don't be shy. Just cut straight across. We want to even it out. All right, we take this nice piece. My kids love this part. We just put it aside. Just going to even it out. Perfect. That's great. Just take a little bit more out because we want that nice filling to sit in there, okay? We're making some room for our filling, okay? Take that nice, fluffy, moist cake out. All right, let's put our wonderful strawberry filling in there. Don't be shy. Oh, that looks great. All right, there you have it. Perfect. All right, let's get our we're gonna add a little whipped cream. All right, let's just drop a little whipped cream over here in the corners. Wonderful. All right, just drop a little whipped cream in the corners, guys. I'll explain. Get that in there, yes. Oh, that looks great. Get a little whipped cream in there. All right. It's gonna drop a little wonderful homemade whipped cream. Look at that. There you go. There you go. Perfect. That's what you want. All right. We're going to put our second layer. Take a look at that, guys. Get a nice shot of that. Look at the edges. That's what you want. It lines up. Look at the edges. That's what you want. It lines up. All right? All right, guys. Now, this is the fun part now. And I'm just going to spread it nicely. Alright guys, and you just put some nice fresh strawberries just like this. I'll just put one here, and there you go. Here you have it. Nice fresh strawberry. Hey! This is it guys. Al's Strawberry Shortcake. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.